Texicanas. Premiered 2019 Genres TV, reality TV docuseries. Family Karma. Premiered 2020 Genres TV, reality TV more Family Karma 332 of 442 the best new Netflix original series of the last few years 341 of 662 the best original streaming shows of the last few years 119 of 191 the best reality shows currently on TV. Stripped. Premiered 2017 Genres TV, reality. Relative success with Tabatha. Premiered 2018 Genres TV, reality. Spy Games. Premiered 2020 Genres TV, reality television, competitive reality. Flipping Exes. Premiered 2019 Genres TV, reality. The Real Housewives of Salt Lake City. Premiered 2020 Genres TV, reality. Southern Charm. Premiered 2014 Genres TV, reality television more Southern Charm 38 of 49 the trashiest TV shows you can't help loving 57 of 417 the best reality TV shows ever 90 of 116 the best shows on Peacock, and the series we can't wait to watch. Don't Be Tardy. Premiered 2012 Genres TV, special interest, reality television. $1 Billion Listing New York. Premiered 2012 Genres TV, reality television. The Real Housewives of Auckland. Premiered 2017 Genres TV, reality. Cash Cab. Married to Medicine, Los Angeles. Premiered 2019 Genres TV, documentary, reality television. To Rome for Love. Premiered 2018 Genres TV, reality. Mexican Dynasties. Premiered 2019 Genres TV, reality television. Summer House. Premiered 2017 Genres TV, reality. Married to Medicine. Premiered 2013 Genres TV, documentary, reality television. Top Chef. Premiered 2006 Genres TV, cook-off, cooking show, reality television more Top Chef 73 of 129 the best shows currently on the air 98 of 166 the best TV shows returning in 2020 312 of 339 the best TV shows of the last 20 years. The Real Housewives of New Jersey. Premiered 2009 Genres TV, reality television more The Real Housewives of New Jersey the best Real Housewives of New Jersey 5 of 277 the most overrated TV shows of all time. The Real Housewives of Atlanta. Premiered 2008 Genres TV, reality television. More The Real Housewives of Atlanta. The Best Real Housewives of Atlanta 28 of 40. The Best Black TV Shows in 2021. 14 of 195. The Dumbest Reality Shows of All Time. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Premiered 2010 Genres TV, reality television. Vanderpump Rules. Premiered 2013 Genres TV, reality television.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.